story, and only one thing remain. I know you people are always have a doubt, and I children keep on asking me, so let me clarify it. And the doubt is that if Charlie has not visited third level, how come Sam went to third level? Dear children, the probable answer to this question will be you may write any answer to it, whatever you think, but let me clarify some more so that you may get some more ideas. He has not visited third level, all the things we have discussed here. Okay, it was only an imagination. It was a medium of escape for him. Escape for him. Okay, uh, everything is clear. And the way he narrated the story, how he happened to go to third level, bumping and moving from one, uh, here he explains here, that from the corridor, that how he, it began to angling left, then he's slanting downwards, then there was no one, they still kept on walking, uh, and then uh, what we say, yes, there was a hollow roar ahead, okay, and then turned sharp left, and then there were a short flight of stairs, and he came to Grand Central Station, third level. But how he went to third level is clearly explained, but how he came back from third level is not explained. How? So when his money was refused by ticket booking clerk, he came back all of a sudden to convert his money into old money, old style currency. But he didn't explain here how he came back from third to second level. How he went from second to third level is very much explained by him. But how come he very easily came back from second to third level is not explained. Is it clear? Next point. Next point is uh, that if you focus on this question, you will get some of your answer. That he talked about his visit to about the third level to his psychiatrist friend only with his psychiatrist friend about the visit, not with anyone else. So why only psychiatrist friends? Probably there may be a reason. You see here he is very good at cooking up stories, like how he went to third level. He is very clearly explaining, but how he came back from third level to second level, he is not explaining. He opened the last day cover. Why? Why he has opened that letter? Because first day cover were never meant to be opened. Because always there were blank papers inside. Why he opened it? Nobody knows. So next, why only he explained that? One more question arises. Why only Sam he explained? Psychiatrist friend. Okay, why only psychiatrist? Then probably maybe one answer more. Like in the end, he says that he has to give up his job as a psychiatrist. Why? Because he has to work as little, and he started working as feed. Again, I'm repeating. Why he has why he chose only psychiatrist friend? Because after going to third level, his psychiatrist friend informed that he has to give up his job as a psychiatrist. Why? Because people don't need psychiatrist. Okay, and he has to take up a job like hay, greed, grain, and business. Why people don't need a psychiatrist? Because that time was full of peace, tension free. They never needed, they don't have problems in their life. So they didn't need a psychiatrist. So, yes, so this supports his answer that third level was full of peace. Okay. Next, why? One more question, one more explanation could be that there would have been no man like uh, Sam. It may be he may be in his imagination. Or third probability, if there would have been a man like Sam in his life, then he would have killed him. Because he explains here that after he explained all this to Sam, all of a sudden his friend Sam Wiener disappeared and nobody knew where. And then he guesses that but I sort of suspected Sam's a city boy, and I used to tell him about Gettysburg. I went to town there. I went to school there, and he always said he liked the sound of the place. That he wished to visit that place. Sam used to tell him. Are you getting? So Sam disappeared. Disappeared two reasons. Maybe he was not a real man. He was in the imagination of Charlie. And number two, even if he would have been a real man, maybe what something else, something Sam has done to him. Sorry, something Charlie has done to Sam just to prove that he is right, that third level existed and it was all full of peace. So thank you for being patient. And today we have completed this story, the third level. Thank you.